Hello, I'm Mrs. Ward and I'm going to talk you through how we want you to do the Flipgrid portion of the test. So what you're going to do with Flipgrid is you're going to start it and you're going to say, hello, I'm Mrs. Ward and I'm going to show you how to do the problem. So introduce yourself and then turn the camera back onto your work. You'll notice that I already have my work written out, so I don't have to do it while I'm talking. So the first thing I'm going to do is, my problem is f of x is equal to 3x minus 7 and g of x is equal to 1/3 x plus 7. To show, I'm going to show whether they're inverses or not. So if they are inverses, f of g of x is equal to g of f of x, and they both should equal x. So on the left side of the board, I've done f of g of x. So in place of g of x, I'm going, in place of this x here, I'm going to write what g of x is equal to. So I'm going to substitute in the 1/3 x plus 7. So I'm going to have 3 times the quantity of 1/3 x plus 7 minus 7. Remembering to distribute that 3 to the entire quantity, and I get x plus 21 minus 7. And the final answer is x plus 14. At this point, I know they're not inverses, but I still have to do the second half of the problem. So I'm going to show my work for g of f of x. And for f of x is 3x minus 7. So I'm going to substitute that 3x minus 7 in for the x. And when I do that, I'm going to have 1/3 times the quantity of 3x minus 7 plus 7. Distribute the 1/3 to the entire quantity, and I have x minus 7/3 plus the 7, and I get x plus 14/3. Since they're not equal to x and they're not equal to each other, I'm going to clearly state that they are not inverses. And that's how we want you to do the Flipgrid. Good luck.